So I was recently at a community event and I got into a conversation with a 4-year-old who told me she's really excited about going to kindergarten next year, but also pretty nervous. So that gave me the idea to go out and talk to some of our current kindergartners to find out what is kindergarten in Rochester Public Schools really like. As you're going to see, I got so much good feedback that we actually have 2 videos. So here's number 1, kindergarten through the eyes of a kindergartner.
What would you tell a little kid about kindergarten?
It's fun after you get used to it.
I like that. It's fun after you get used to it. Why did you have to get used to it?
Because when you don't know everybody or have any friends yet, it's hard to have fun, but when you get used to it, it's easy to have fun.
Love it. When you don't know anybody, it's a little bit hard to have fun, but then you get to know everybody and it gets to be okay?
Yes, it gets easier to do school.
That's awesome. It gets easier to do school. What is your favorite food to eat for a snack in kindergarten?
Apples.
Apples. I didn't think you were going to pick something healthy. So, what do you guys think first grade is going to be like when you go there next year? What do you think first grade is going to be?
I'm afraid.
Say that again?
I'm afraid.
You're afraid of first grade. Why are you afraid of first grade?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Yeah.
What do you think first grade is going to be like?
Good.
Good? Yeah, so you're not afraid? What do you think first grade is going to be like?
Good.
Yeah? But I don't want you to be afraid of first grade.
Oh, gosh.
Yeah, it's going to be fun. Why?
I'm a little bit scared of first.
You're a little bit scared of first grade? Why are you a little bit scared of first grade?
Because I'm afraid my new teacher is going to be a little bit different.
A little bit different. That is totally understandable. But you know what? I know the first grade teachers here, and you know what? They're really nice. And you still get to play in first grade. So I don't want you to be scared, okay? Does that make you feel a little better? Yeah, first grade is going to be awesome. But I'm glad that you're thinking about it, okay? So...
I feel like second grade is going to be really good.
Second grade is going to be really good. You're nervous about first grade, but you think second grade is going to be really, really good.
Me too.
Yeah? Why are you looking forward to second grade?
Because I want to be older.
Because you want to be older. How do you feel about second grade?
Happy?
Happy? Okay. Well, this is pretty great. You know what? Second grade is going to be good. Second grade and third grade and fourth grade. And you guys want to tell people about kindergarten that you think is interesting or funny or important to say about kindergarten?
It's the funnest thing in the world.
It's the funnest thing in the world. That's pretty awesome.
You learn everything.